Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford F150 rearview mirror. Start by parking on level ground, disconnecting the battery, and gathering a 10mm socket, Torx driver, and trim pry tool. Remove the headliner trim carefully with the pry tool, then unbolt the mirror base with the 10mm socket. Keep track of screws and clips, and test the new mirror before reassembling the trim to avoid surprises. Begin by gently prying the headliner trim around the mirror base, taking care not to crease the fabric. Use a plastic pry tool and locate the hidden clips. Release them slowly to avoid damage. Once trim is loose, pull it down enough to access the mirror mounting bolt and wiring connector. Keep clips and screws organized and proceed calmly to avoid tearing the headliner or losing fasteners during removal. Quick recommendation before we continue. If you like gear that lasts, try Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort in any weather. If you enjoyed the guide so far, please subscribe and like the video to help out and get more helpful how-tos. I popped that sock pic into the description along with other deals, so check it out when you can, and now let's get back to the video. With the trim lowered, press the wiring connector's locking tab and unplug the mirror harness, supporting the mirror as you go. Use a 10mm socket or the proper Torx driver to remove the mounting bolt while holding the mirror steady. Carefully slide the mirror off the windshield mount to avoid scratching glass. Inspect the mounting pad and wiring for corrosion or damage, and replace any defective parts before fitting the new mirror to ensure a solid installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.